Alright guys, this is what the sound baffle looks like. It comes with these close-out foam pads that you put behind your speaker. I had 6x9s but in here before, so I just left that one. Plus, if you ever try to take those off after they've been installed for a while, it's very sticky, very yucky. It's gonna make a mess, so just better leave it. If you're putting in a sound baffle in, chances are you're some sort of maybe mild audiophile or really care about the way your music sounds. Please ignore my sound dampening, this is temporary. But anyways, this one, I felt like it was a little loose on the speaker, not as snug as the NVX brand ones. I was also considering using SoundSkin Soundwave, but I mean, for the price and you get the pads, if you haven't done an install for, it's pretty cool. I had to cut the back side of this flush because the diameter of the hole for the speaker, the insulation or the rubber would not, the silicone, I'm sorry, would not fit inside. So that was another, if it could just taper down, maybe that would be good. But then again, you know, there are different size 6.5s. So anyways, this is a video of it. And another thing is that if you're putting it behind the door panel and you want to kind of have it stay in place like this, it doesn't. It does not keep its shape. That's another pet peeve of mine, that it does not keep its shape. If you're trying to put it behind the door panel and keep this part, I tried it with this one, the other door, it doesn't matter. Now if we look at the NXVs, or the NVXs, I'm sorry, not only do these feel a lot thicker, they're black, they're tapered down. If you see, they reduce down, and then also it fits really snug on the speaker. Like, there's no slack in it like this one had. You can't really tell because the speaker's on right now, but there's some slack in there that I don't like. But with the NVX, you can fold this crease down and it stays in place. So and these are only like $1, $2 more. So if I could decide again, maybe I'll go back with the NVXs. But I needed these like ASAP, so that's why I got them. But Recoil, they have some work to do. It's decent. Still a good budget-friendly baffle. I can't say anything bad about it. I mean, for 20 bucks, they definitely get the job done. I like the grayness to it. This is what the black looks like next to it, but you know, luckily the baffle doesn't fit or hit the door panel. So yeah, it sucks that we can't fold it back, but since it's, you know, we'll have to play with it. But the other side, the other door was good. This one, the baffle seems to be just right at the door panel. So if anything, that's just perfect, because it's all the sound is going into the cab and not the into the door panel. So hopefully if you decide to get a baffle, then take that into consideration. Thanks.